The meeting chaired by the party leader, His Excellency Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, comes in the wake of a spate of activities that have taken place since January 30th this year, when he was sworn in as the People's President at Uhuru Park Grounds, Nairobi. To last Friday's engagement where on a framework with His Excellency Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta held a meeting and agreed to work together in the quest for peace and unity, as well as addressing other social injustices that have befallen our country for years. During today's meeting, a raft of resolutions were made which include the following. 1. Members supported the initiative of revamping and revitalizing the party as resolved at the meeting of the National Governing Council held here at Orange House on 23rd February 2018. 2. They welcomed the establishment of the task force to review the party's performance in the recent and preceding general election, which with a view of coming up with findings and resolutions on how best we can improve going forward. 3. That the party will do everything possible and within its means to recapture all the seats that may have been lost through petitions. 4. The members committed to faithfully contribute to the development and growth of the party and furthering its programs, including making regular financial contributions as required. 5th, the members received the report from His Excellency, the party leader, on his recent engagement with His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta and welcomed the initiative. They congratulated the two leaders for the courage, statesmanship, and boldness that saw them put aside what looked like irreconcilable differences and meet for the sake of the nation. 6. The PG encouraged the party leader, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, to stay focused on the big picture and the struggle for a better, just, inclusive, and fair Kenya, and refuse to be distracted by those positioning themselves for 2022. 7. The members encouraged the party leader to use this engagement to seek justice for the victims of post-election violence as a way of finding a lasting reconciliation and a unit, and to make the country one unit and the unity of the nation. Signed at Orange House. That is the resolution of our parliamentary group meeting held today at Orange House, the 13th of March 2018, chaired by His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga.
Thank you. Let's have Senator Orengo first before you come in.
Thank you so much. There's the statement which has been given is comprehensive. But what I've got to say just got to do with some of the headlines we've seen today and yesterday. And we're asking the media, it is important that you report the discussion and the deliberations of any meeting accurately. It does not serve the purpose of the media and the public to talk about what has happened in the sideline of the meetings instead of what has happened inside the meetings. Like from today, what I was seeing in the media is what happened outside the meeting, which came from people who did not attend the meeting. And therefore, just like yesterday, the parliamentary group of ODM has received a report about what happened last week on Friday. Yesterday also, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga briefed the NASA leadership on what happened on Friday. And at no time did I see any moment when he was under any difficulties to give a briefing about what happened on Friday. Indeed, I think he gave a very extensive briefing. And if you have any doubt about what was said yesterday, is contained in this statement signed by all the principals. And the long and short of it is that they appreciated the dose of dialogue that His Excellency Raila Odinga had opened. It is there in the statement signed by all of them. So I plead with you that it is important, really, for you to report accurately what has taken place, including what has taken place today. And I think that for the nation, 2 headlines in a row, completely giving a different picture. I think you owe it to us to put that state of affairs clear. Otherwise, we think that there's an agenda somewhere that somebody is pursuing. Thank you.
And I want to just add there that we have, the PG has not put our party leader for task today, just for a record. Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.